How to find your national insurance number UK. If you want to do this, I'll show you a few different methods. You can check your documents. Your national insurance number can be found on various documents you may already have, such as pay slips from your employer, P60 or P45 end of year tax summary, or when you leave a job, letters for HMRC, Her Majesty's Revenue and Customs, or the Department for Work and Pensions, DWP. Your national insurance card, if you still have one. These were issued before 2011. Your personal tax account documents, or any communication related to your tax, state pension, or benefits. Now that's where you can find your national insurance number. Also, you can log into your personal tax account to find your national insurance number online. You can do it by accessing your personal tax account on the UK government's website. You will go to the UK government's website, log in with your government gateway user ID and password, or create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, your national insurance number should be displayed in your account. You can also do it on the HMRC app. If you have the HMRC app, you can log in and find your national insurance number. You will download the HMRC app from the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Log in with your government gateway credentials. Your national insurance number should be available under the profile section. And the last method that I'm going to show you is contacting HMRC. If you cannot find your national insurance number using the methods above, you can contact HMRC directly. You can just Google their phone number and other contact information and do it that way. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.